Well, my friends, I was given an opportunity to share with you one of the royal suites on board the beautiful Celebrity Constellation. So we'll not talk a lot about this. I will tell you everything at the end of this video about the suite. But of course, grab something nice to snack, something nice to drink, and let's take a tour around this beautiful royal suite. So as we enter, my friends, first of all, we are greeted by this beautiful entryway with a dining space. The suite was semi-renovated, not a full refurbishment, but there was some renovation made here. So this is our entryway, and we are on deck number 6, suite 6134, right here. As we enter, we have a dining table with 2 chairs right here, and of course, a bench here, and it can comfortably accommodate perhaps 4 people or so. We of course have our living room here. Again, this is renovated. So we have this sectional couch right here, of course with a TV right across. And let me walk you around so you can see this whole room. So as I turn you around, you can see those brand new swivel armchairs. It's very, very nice that they can swivel and they can turn the when you would like. One thing I will mention, this suite actually comes with a lot of benefits. One of them would be 2 full-size spirits that you can actually pre-order for your suite through your butler services. They're right there for you. And in your living space, of course, you have the welcome bottle of champagne that waits for you right there. But in addition, the royal suites come with a coffee maker. So right here, the Lavazza machine is for you to enjoy. Every royal suite has this coffee room. Now behind me is the balcony, which I will keep for the end of this video, but let's go and explore inside of this beautiful, beautiful ship. The suite. It's almost the size of a ship. Once we're going to turn right here, it is the corridor that's going to take you into your master bedroom. Your master bedroom is right here, and it is set up right now for a king-size bed. Of course, this can be separated for 2 twins if you would like. You just need to ask for your butler or the room attendant. And in front of the bed, we have, of course, our TV as well as storage unit. There's plenty of storage in this beautiful, beautiful suite. Let me open the door for you so you can see what's inside. This whole space is basically just shelving. So there's a lot of that. Let's see what's underneath. Some more shelving. So again, friends, as mentioned, there's a lot of storage in this beautiful room. I do enjoy this circular porthole window right there, which actually sneak peek into your backyard, into your patio. I will show you that in a second because that one is gorgeous. But yeah, this is of course your beautiful bed. Now I do like how this area has a makeup mirror or a work desk, whatever you would like to make out of it, right here on the side. So it's not immediate in your bedroom area, it's tucked to the side of it. And of course, after we saw the bedroom, let's go ahead and see, before the bathroom, where you will store your clothes. So we do enjoy and have this walk-in closet right here. And the walk-in closet has a lot of storage. We have some shelving on top. We have, of course, your welcome amenities here, which is the beach bag. We have your laundry bags, of course, umbrellas and binoculars, and again, a lot of storage. Right across from the shelving, we do have hanging space right there with 2 welcome bathrobes. Now let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom is actually right across from your master bedroom, and this was fully renovated on that ship, and it is now on those beautiful gray tones. But this is your bathroom. And in your bathroom, as you can see, first of all, we have one jetted tub. It's one of the 2 in this suite, which I will show you. But this is your bathroom, and right next to it, of course, we have the commode. And in addition, next to the commode, we have this walk-in shower. It is beautiful, very well appointed and very, very wide. So there's a lot of space right here. Now, right next to the jetted tub, we have this beautiful vanity. Hi friends, very well pre-lit, and we have, of course, double sink here with the new Retreat products. Now friends, after we watched and saw all this, let me take you to what I think it's one of the best areas in this suite, and this is your balcony. Let me open the balcony area for you. The balcony is extremely spacious, and we can see on the balcony we have this very wide, I will say double armchair, a single armchair, a coffee table, but let me turn you around so you can see. Over here we have dining table for two loungers, very comfortable and plushy, but look at that, my friends, additional hot tub, and that window right there that I showed you before is actually peeking into your bedroom area, so that's very, very, very nice. So that's how this suite has beautiful two jetted tubs. Let me turn you around. This is a very, very spacious space. So yes, my friends, this is the gorgeous royal suite on board the Celebrity Constellation. The ship is not the newest, but this room was definitely renovated, and in my opinion, this is gorgeous. If you, of course, have any questions or anything you would like to share with me, whether you stayed in this room or you would like to have some more information, don't hesitate to comment below. I always enjoy to read what you have to say. Don't forget to subscribe and share those videos, because that's what helps me to do what I like to do most, which is sharing my videos with you. But until next time, thank you very much for watching. I'm your Hedge.